Jerry Nard. Jerry Nard.
What's up, my people, and welcome to the Sn95 Power channel. Hey, I love the Mustang community. It's a certain level of creativity that this Mustang community have, where we have some very creative people that comes up with some ingenious hacks for these cars. Sometimes when you think about it, it's just like, gosh, what the hell was this person thinking to come up with this idea for this hack for this car? So here's to you, Mr. Fourth Generation Mustang hacker guy. So today I'm gonna go over some of my favorite hacks that you can do for this fourth generation Mustang. Hey Kim.
Yeah, babe.
Drop that definition of a hack.
The definition of a hack is to manipulate, to deal with something usually skillfully or efficiently.
First up on the list are seats. Now, if you have an Sn95 Mustang, I'm only preaching to the choir on this. Now, the lumbar support on these seats are non-existent. The headrest is just for show. If you want a performance seat, the stock Sn95 seat is not for you. Even the 03, 04 Cobra seats, they might have a little bit better lumbar support, but as far as the headrest is concerned, it's really non-existent on these cars. So what do? You go find a set of S197 seats, 550 seats. They pretty much, with a little modification, bolt right into these cars and they look great. Now in my red car, I used the manual slider, but you still have options to use your power seats. And as far as lumbar support and the headrest, it's light years ahead of what the Sn95 design is. So seats are my first hack on this list. All right, for this next hack, we're gonna get up under this car and we're gonna show you something that you can do to your rear end. Coming in at number 2 for my top Sn95 hacks is a aluminum differential cover. Now, third and fourth generation Ford Explorer had an 8.8 rear end. Now, these vehicles also had an independent rear suspension. So what they did to beef up the differential is they put a pretty stout aluminum diff cover on those 8.8s. Now, this is not a plug and play kind of situation if you want to use one of these aluminum differential covers. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits that you'll have for upgrading to an aluminum differential cover. The rigidity of the cover will help cap walk. The other thing, and which I find most beneficial, is it has a built-in drain plug. So it makes draining that fluid a lot easier. And also it has like a fin design on it to help dissipate heat. Now, one thing that you're gonna have to do to get this thing to fit is grind off these ears that's on the differential cover. So in order to help create strength with that differential cover, they have these ears that kind of bolts to the diff housing outside of the traditional bolts. And so what you'll do is it's as simple as just shaving those ears off, and you're not going to disrupt the sealing surface of the diff cover if you just carefully trim those ears off. Now, in all transparency, I have this diff cover on my Sn95, but I did not go to the junkyard and pull it. I had my man Junkyard Dog
for a aluminum diff cover for the 8.8. So yeah, I went ahead and took a bandsaw, cut off the ears here.
Pulled this for me, and he shipped it out to me. Big shout out to Junkyard Dog, man. I know his YouTube channel is dormant right now, but I hope all things are going well in that man's life. I'm sending prayers out to him and his family. All right, so we're working our way through this list and we're coming up to number 4. Number 4 is fog lights. Now, this only applies to 94 through 98 Mustangs with Cobra front bumpers. Now, factory Cobra bumpers look great on early Sn95 Mustangs. One way to enhance the look of those bumpers is to add some fog lights. Now, I know what you're saying, like, hey Walt, Cobra models already came with fog lights. Yeah, but those things are little teeny tiny things. And I got a great mod for you that you can get. I wouldn't get them from the junkyard. You can get them online, Amazon, eBay, brand new, fairly cheap. GMC Envoys have a fog light that's round, similar to the Cobras, but they're larger in diameter. Now, it doesn't matter which generation GMC Envoy that you get these from, first gen or second gen, both of these will fit. Now, you have to get a little creative on how you're gonna get these to mount in your Cobra front bumper. But once you get them in there, the outcome is near perfection. So the front bumper swap is pretty popular on these early Sn95s. And I think if you have a Cobra or if you do front bumper swap, this is a great way to enhance the look of your Sn95. It's almost becoming the standard with those Cobra front bumpers on these Sn95s. All right, we're almost done with the script and we're coming to the end. Number 5. This will definitely help you early Sn95. You newish guys, you're gonna have to stay tuned to the channel because I'm about to build a coyote busting 2-valve Mustang for you. So coming in at number 5, we're gonna go with Induction. Now, when I say Induction, I mean top end components like cylinder heads, intake cam. Okay, you 94, 95 guys, I got something for you. The second generation Ford Explorer came with a high output 5.0 engine. Now, what made this engine nice is that they came with GT40P heads or GT40 heads. On top of that, they came with an Explorer style GT40 intake manifold. Now, word of caution to all you guys out there. You have to say you have a GT40 style Explorer intake manifold. If you say you have a GT40 intake manifold off a Ford Explorer, the GT40 police bad boys, what you gonna do? Will come kick down your door and arrest you. It's because they're protecting the integrity of the GT40 name, one intake manifold at a time. In all seriousness, pulling these parts off a 5.0 Explorer is a cheap hack that'll give your pushrod Mustang a nice bump in power. Now, you 96 through 98 my guys, it's kind of the same thing for you. So what you'll do is you'll grab the heads, the intake off a 99 and up Ford Mustang, or you can go to the junkyard and pull the heads off a 99 and up 4.6 2-valve sedan, Crown Vic, town car, any variations of that. Even you can take the heads off a Ford Explorer. So what this will do, this will give you a nice bump in compression, and with a little supporting mods to go along with that, that will get you close to that 300 rear horsepower range. Now, you 99 and up 2-valve guys, I've got something in the works for you. It's a modernized recession buster. So we're gonna break that down on another video. So if you wanna know about it, make sure you hit the subscription button, hit that bell notification, because that video is coming out soon. All right, I would like to hear your opinion on these hacks. So whether it's styling wise or performance wise, these hacks have you covered. Also, you really don't have to break the bank in order to do these hacks. So do me a solid, leave a comment down below. Tell me any hacks that you have done to your Sn95 Mustang or that you're thinking about doing to your Sn95 Mustang. Like I said, I have this 2-valve 4.6 build that we're gonna get started on. I've got some more information, or I'm actually filming the video right now. I changed positions, but I hope I stay in focus. But that 2-valve recession buster build is going to be focused around this piston right here. So if you're interested in stuff like this, hit the bell notification, subscribe to the channel. While you're at it, tell a couple of people about the channel. And until next time, God bless.